Hey, hi, dear parents. I am here again in front of you with the new letter sound. And do you know which letter is this? Yes, you're right. It's a F. And do you know what the sound of F? Let's learn it together. F says, F says, it's just like air is coming out of the balloon. Okay, now let's learn some simple words which start with the letter sound of F. Fish, flag. So my dear parents, kindly keep practicing of these words with your kids at your home, and I come soon in my next video with the new letter sound. Until then, take care and bye bye.